Imagine if you could upgrade to a state-of-the-art cockpit without putting a single wire. Meet the BOM. The Broadcasting Outer Module is the all-in-one avionics suite you've been waiting for. This aerodynamic innovation easily adapts to your aircraft and is designed to record and stream crucial flight information wirelessly. The BOM incorporates an angle of attack indicator, secondary source of pitot data, aviation-grade AHRS technology capable of driving synthetic vision displays, WASP GPS for all of your navigation needs, and an optional dual-band ADS-B receiver for weathering traffic. The BOM turns on with a few quick taps or the vibration of a running engine. Let the cluttered cockpit days be over. The BOM's smart patented design uses the incoming stream of air to power itself and charge the internal battery. All antennas and sensors are built in, reducing the number of portable devices that obstruct the pilot's view, augmenting your flight experience and comfort. With its NORCE approval, the BOM can be mounted on any light sport, experimental, and certified aircraft. Choose from a long list of compatible apps available worldwide and take advantage of the most user-friendly flight planning and navigation tools today. More than a cool gadget to have, the BOM is a well-thought-out backup system that will have your back in the unfortunate event that something goes wrong with your primary flight instruments. From the reliability of the calibrated AHRS to the stall warning system of the angle of attack, the BOM will make your flight safer so that you can focus on what really matters.